So here I am. I quit my job. I bought a boat in Panama. And well, now all I have to do is just to untie the lines and go sailing. There's not really a fixed plan about this. This journey can be anything between 3 months or 3 years. So it's all open, everything is possible, and just want to be happy and just go with the flow and see what comes. It's not going to be any extreme kind of journey. It's not about breaking records. It's just about living with the forces, like with the wind and the water, and it's about reduction. On a boat, you don't really, you don't have all the stuff that you have in normal life, and you really have to cut back on things, and I think that's really interesting. It's been one of my biggest dreams to go and sail the world. I don't know, it's the feeling that you get when you see the ocean and the space that opens up. It's always fascinated me. It's going to be a weekly reminder for people that it's possible to live your dreams and that you just have to do it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it, and I hope it's going to bring you one step closer to putting your own dreams into reality.